What's up everybody, if you that don't know me, my name is Chris, aka Mr. Growit, and you're watching my extras channel. Happy Hydro sent me over the ChilLED X6 600 watt LED grow light, and in this video I'm going to unbox the unit, I'm going to test the power output, and I'm going to do a heat test on it. I'm not going to go over all the specs that this grow light has, but I will leave a link in the description section below so you can learn more about it. This light is shipped in 2 boxes. One of the boxes has the fixture, and the other box has everything else. Let's open up the smaller box first. First thing out the box is a power cord. Next out the box is this bag, which has the dimmer and the small white box, and also 4 rope ratchet hangers. In this box is the driver. They use a Meanwell 600H driver. The invoice is in the box, and lastly they've included 2 ChilLED Tech stickers. The next box only has the fixture in it, and the fixture is wrapped in a plastic bag. For the power test, I'm going to use the Apogee MQ620 extended range power meter. This meter measures from 340 nanometers to 1040 nanometers, and the measurements are in ppfd. If this is your first time watching my power test videos, I do them just to give you a general idea of what the power output is. They're not meant to be 100% accurate. I take measurements in grow tenths, which have reflective walls that could increase the numbers, so just keep that in mind. This LED grow light has a coverage area of 4 feet by 4 feet, and I'm taking measurements in a 4 foot by 4 foot grow tent. This light does have a dimmer on it. I'll set the light to 100% for the power test. Okay, I've plugged the light into my kilowatt meter and I've adjusted the dimmer all the way down to the lowest setting, and it shows 0.45 amps pulling about 46 watts from the wall. Now I've adjusted the dimmer up to 100% and it shows 5.1 amps pulling 600 watts from the wall. Alright, let's get into the measurements. What do you think of these measurements? Let me know down in the comment section below. Just a reminder that there is a link to this grow light down in the description section below. And I'll leave it at that. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, peace.